Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a homemade Desi style pizza. For this I've used chicken, which is about 500 grams, and to this you can add about half a teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt to taste, and also half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This again please add according to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Cumin is optional. I've just added 1/4 teaspoon and half a teaspoon garam masala powder. We'll mix this and allow the chicken to marinate for about half an hour. After half an hour, we'll start making the pizza sauce. When you make this recipe, you don't need any additional pizza sauce. We are going to make it directly with the chicken. So it's really very simple, and it's really quick to make. You can try making this with your kids. So let's begin. To about 4 tablespoons of oil, I've added 2 finely chopped onions. Don't add too much of oil because the pizza will get really soggy and it won't taste good if it's oily. So just add minimum oil, and we'll fry the onions till it's a bit transparent, and then we'll add half finely chopped capsicum or bell pepper. We'll fry this also for about 2 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel, and please comment and like my videos, and please share them with your family and friends. And if you do try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to this. When you get bored with the Italian style pizzas, this is a welcome change to have a homemade Desi style chicken pizza. Once the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste goes, you can add in some salt. Please remember you've added in the chicken also, and just a bit of chili powder. This is optional since the chicken already has it. I've just added a little bit because my family likes it really chatpata and spicy. So you don't have to add this, otherwise make sure you add it very little according to your taste. So once I added those masalas, we'll add in the tomato puree as well. Make sure you grind about 6 tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes, for 500 grams of boneless chicken. Just cook this till the tomato dries up a bit, the raw smell from the tomato goes, and then we'll add in the marinated chicken. So this recipe is along with the pizza sauce, so you don't have to buy the sauce separately, and it tastes really good. It's a must try recipe, and you can also make the pizza in an oven, or you can do it on the stove top as well. Today in this recipe I'm using a ready-made pizza base because I don't have time to make it. Now after cooking for about 5 minutes along with the chicken, so it gets to this stage, so we'll allow it to cook really well till the chicken is cooked completely. Just add a bit of water to get the right consistency. It shouldn't be too thick, neither too thin. So add some water and then give it a good mix. We'll cook it on a low flame for a few more minutes, and the pizza sauce is ready to go. Now to assemble the pizza, you can use any tomato ketchup or chili garlic sauce or whatever you like on the base, just a little bit. And then we'll add the pizza chicken sauce that we made. Spread it all over the pizza evenly, and you can use any toppings of your choice. Here I'll be using the very basic toppings for the pizza. That's green capsicum. You can also use the other colored capsicums as well. But like I said, I'm just using the basic ingredients to make this pizza. so that you can make it any time at home, and some finely chopped onions and tomato slices. And sprinkle lots of mozzarella cheese or cheddar, or a mix of mozzarella and cheddar, and the pizza is ready to be baked. It's as simple as this. It hardly takes any time to make the pizza sauce and also assemble at home, and this works out really very cheap. It's inexpensive to make it at home, so you can try this pizza at home, and do let me know how it turned out and whether you liked it. No, I just sprinkled some more capsicum tomato, and I sprinkled a bit of mixed herbs or oregano. You can sprinkle any of it and then bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till the cheese melts completely. The pizzas are ready. I baked it for about 12 to 15 minutes, and you can see it's really very delicious, and they are ready to be served.